This dog is Loki. He is a Dachshund. Dachshund ka, Loki, no? Good boy, Loki. Good boy. Good morning, everyone. Umiyan ka mo ito. I do. Marami to have dogs in the house. Relaxing to have dogs. Not only that they are like your pets. They're also very loyal companion. And they protect your household. They protect your family. They give you joy. Kapangga sila permi. And this one is Muka. Si Muka niya, sulod niya sa balay. Ano yung house dog namin. Sulod din. Upod niya sa amon sa room. Ang isa pa wala eh. Si Beige. Beige is a big boy. Si Muka, yung girl niya siya. Girl niya si Loki boy. Muka is a Pomeranian. Ako yan yung breed ko. With breed. Padel, by the way, ari si Beige. Beige. Hi, Beige. Ano si Beige? Bo, palak-palak si Beige. Bo, Beige. Ito si Beige. Kalma lang. Kalma lang. Down. Kalma lang. Up. Si Beige siya is a beagle. Hi, Beige. Ano na, Beige? Relax lang. Grabe ka excited din. Si Beige girl, siya na beagle. Down. Relax siya. Down na. Uwi na, karos mo na ko kasakit.